Alright guys, here's the finished product. My very own Vietnamese chicken wings. This is the recipe that I came up with. Trust me, it is delicious. It is very simple, quick and easy, and I guarantee you, everybody's gonna be fighting over these chicken wings. Alright guys, here are the ingredients. You got your chicken wings, you got your cornstarch, you got your sweet chili sauce, and you got your fish sauce. Now as far as the cornstarch, you can use all-purpose flour, rice flour, or potato starch. Any one of them will do. Alright. Same for sweet chili sauce, any brand, or fish sauce. You can find any of this at Walmart. Alright, let's work on a sauce. Alright, let's work on the sauce. First we can use sweet chili sauce. You can use 2 cups. Here I'm using half a bottle. 2 cups of this sweet chili sauce. Exact measurement. Right there. About 2 cups. Get in there. Alright, that's about 2 cups. Fish sauce. 1 tablespoon. That's it. 1 tablespoon of that fish sauce. That's all you need. And that's it, guys. See how easy that was? Sweet chili sauce, 2 cups of sweet chili sauce, and 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. And that's it. Now, you know me. Gotta have my cayenne pepper. Now, if you like yours to be a little bit spicy, you can add about a teaspoon. Oh, what the hell. Let's add a bit more than that. And that's it. And just mix it up. See how easy that was? Mix it up for about a minute and set it aside. And that's it, guys. That's your sauce right there. Alright, we are done with the sauce. I'm going to set that aside. Now let's work on the batter. Now, for the batter, it's very simple. All you need is a Ziploc bag and about a cup of that cornstarch. Dump in your cornstarch. Dump it in a Ziploc bag. About a cup or a cup and a half. Add a little bit more if you need to. Alright, now you're going to add in your chicken and give it a quick toss. The chicken, be sure to wash your hand afterward when dealing with raw chicken. Salmonella, you hear me? Just throw it in there. Let's say about 6 or 8 pieces. Alright, now you're going to close the Ziploc bag and give it a quick toss. See how easy that was? That's it. Just put it in a Ziploc bag and shake it. Shake it for about 10 or 15 seconds and that's it. Show you guys how easy that was. Yeah, you see that? That's the chicken. Set it aside. Work on your next one. You see that? Move that around. You have to get your hand dirty. Look at that. Look at that. See that? Let you guys see. Look at that. Shake out the excess and work on your next one. That's it. Alright guys, time to fry these bad boys up. Alright, you're going to cook this for about 8 minutes. 7 to 8 minutes. About 4 minutes on each side. Make sure not to overcrowd the pan. Put about 8. I know some of you guys must be wondering, hey, you didn't season your chicken wings. Exactly. I'm going to let that sauce do all the work. So you see how simple that was? So when I'm done with the chicken wing, I'm just going to dip into the sauce. I'll brush it, and that's it. I'm going to let that sauce do all the work. Trust me, you're going to love this chicken wing. And everybody in your household is going to be fighting over that last piece of chicken wing. So make sure to give this recipe a try and share it with your friends and family. Remember now, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Now if you've forgotten how long it's been sitting in the fryer, you can also tell. See how crispy golden brown it looks? Yep, it's ready. Time to take it out. Alright, after you let it cool for about a minute, you're going to take it out. There's 2 ways you can do this. You can either dip it or brush it. I like to brush mine because I don't want my chicken wing to get all soggy. See? Just brush it to however you like and set it aside. And then we'll go on the next one. But then, you know, in the restaurant, you just pour the sauce over the bowl and give it a quick toss and serve it to the guests. See how easy that was? See, you don't even have to season your chicken wings. Just let the sauce do all the work.
But what kind of flour that you use to the dry batter?
Cornstarch.
Oh, cornstarch only. Alrighty, that's that.
See how easy that was, guys? Alright guys, here's the finished product. My very own Vietnamese chicken wings. This is a recipe that I came up with. Trust me, it is delicious. It is very simple, quick and easy, and I guarantee you, everybody's gonna be fighting over these chicken wings. Alright guys, the moment you've been waiting for. Taste test. Y'all see that? See how good that is? Oh, that looks so good. Like I said, I'm gonna let the sauce do all the work. You don't have to season your chicken. Y'all see that? Does that look good or what? Oh, so good. Show you on the other side. Oops. One time his finger looking good. His finger looking good. It's sweet, it's savory, oh, it's also crunchy. Y'all see that? That's so good. You just gotta get down and dirty with this thing. That's so. Gotta clean that bone up. Go for another one. This one, huh? Going in. Oh, so good. Y'all need to give this recipe a try. Let me know in the comment below what you think. If you like the video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Take care of yourself.